Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you the PowerPoint slides that I used in my lessons in AP, which is all about contemporary issues or mga kontemporaryo issue. And I have all the slides for quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3 until quarter 4. So I am making my own PowerPoint presentations, and I have my own reference, and that is the module that we are using in our division, and also some reference in Google. So all of that PowerPoints are available, and I have a link here. If you have questions regarding my PowerPoint presentation, you can connect with me through my Gmail account, which is JENNYHIYAS@gmail.com, or you can reach me in my TikTok account and message me there. Showing my details, some of my details, so you can where you can contact me, and these are all available. So kindly just message me if you have suggestions regarding the PowerPoints that I made or the PowerPoints that I compiled. Then please feel free to contact with me or connect with me, and I will be very glad to give you the reply as soon as I can. Yeah, so I hope that this video helps you, and so thank you so much. Please check out my details below the video, and thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe in my channel, follow me, and please click the notification bell so that you will not miss my new videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.